Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Metamask wallet. Now the first thing that we can do is obviously we want to withdraw the money from Binance and send it to Metamask, right? So how we can do that, we can click on withdraw here. And then what we can do is we can obviously go to withdraw and then we can withdraw USDT, right? Obviously we can select the network to be BSC, right? And click yes, I'm sure. And then here on Metamask, make sure to actually go to USDT. Now, if you don't have USDT, go and Google USDT and then go to the coin market cap. So here, coin market cap, add here to the Metamask. Make sure to add it to your Metamask. Add the token here. And then you're added token successfully to your Metamask. Now, the second thing you need to do is you need to connect Metamask to BNB Smart Chain if you already haven't done this, right? What you can do this is you can go here to your Metamask and then make sure to click here and add network. Now, when adding network, what you will have to do, as you can see, you have network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, and all that. So go to this website and then scroll down and paste this right here in there and then click save, and then you will be able to have smart chain network. Right now, let's go back to Metamask here and let's go to USDT and let's go and let's basically what we can do here is we can actually switch to smart chain here, and as you can see we have our smart chain network here. So we can copy this, right, and then we can obviously paste it right here. And this is going to be BSC, which is going to be BEP20, right? And then obviously USDT, right? Here we can also import tokens. Again, if we want to import tokens. So let's say we want to USDT BSC contract address, right? We can go here and we can basically go here, Tether USD BEP20 right here, as you can see. So this is actually the contract address. We can copy this and then we can put it here, add custom token, import tokens, and then that's going to be USDT. And if we go back here, we can see here, we have USDT right here. So that's basically the contract. Here we just copy it, right? And then once we get, and what you can also do here is, if you're withdrawing, you can withdraw BNB, which is going to be a lot safer for you. And then once you withdraw your BNB, obviously copy this address, you can switch or you can convert or swap to your USDT right here, which is awesome, right? And then you will be able to basically have USDT in your wallet. So that's pretty much the process of doing all of this, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.